Modern house design with tropical architecture seamlessly integrates contemporary aesthetics with the environmental needs and cultural aspects of tropical regions. This design approach emphasizes harmony with nature, comfort in warm climates, and the use of sustainable practices. Blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces with large sliding doors, verandas, and courtyards, creating a sense of openness and connection to the natural surroundings. The facade exterior of a modern house with tropical architecture is crucial for the home's aesthetic appeal, environmental performance, and interaction with its surroundings. It harmonizes contemporary design elements with tropical influences, focusing on climate adaptation, natural integration, and sustainable practices. The living room in a modern house with tropical architecture is designed to be an inviting, open, and airy space that blends contemporary comfort with a strong connection to the surrounding tropical environment. It leverages natural light, ventilation, and materials to create a serene and practical living area that suits the climatic and aesthetic needs of tropical regions. Utilizes large sliding or folding glass doors that open to verandas, gardens, or decks, creating a seamless transition between the indoor living room and outdoor areas. The dining and kitchen area in a modern house with tropical architecture is designed to be a functional, social, and aesthetically pleasing space that reflects the seamless integration of contemporary design with the natural, tropical environment. It emphasizes open layouts, natural materials, and sustainable features to create a space that is both practical and inviting, catering to the needs of tropical living. In a modern house with tropical architecture, the bedroom serves as a tranquil retreat that combines comfort, functionality, and a deep connection to the surrounding environment. It integrates natural materials, efficient ventilation, and thoughtful design to create a restful space that harmonizes with the tropical climate. The bathroom in a modern house with tropical architecture is designed to be a refreshing and relaxing space that blends contemporary style with natural elements and sustainable practices. It emphasizes openness, natural ventilation, and a strong connection to the outdoors, creating a serene and spa-like atmosphere that aligns with the tropical environment. The courtyard in a modern house with tropical architecture serves as a central feature that enhances the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. It provides a private, serene area for relaxation, recreation, and interaction with nature. Designed with an emphasis on climate responsiveness and natural integration, the courtyard acts as a cooling and aesthetically pleasing element that reflects the tropical ethos of the home. Modern house design with tropical architecture offers a sophisticated blend of contemporary style and tropical livability. It embraces the environmental challenges of tropical climates with innovative solutions, creating homes that are not only visually stunning, but also comfortable, sustainable, and deeply connected to their natural and cultural context.